Hello everyone, welcome to RBG's Art Corner. Today I'm gonna try out to make a magical potions using the green pearl powder or mica powder. So first thing we need is a type of glass bottle thingy. So let's try to open it. Then I'm gonna fill it with some water, just a normal water. I'm gonna try to fill it on the top. Okay, next thing I'm gonna use this one. Let's see if you can see it. It's a dark green. Okay, I'm gonna use a little spoon like this one. Just give it a dab. Put it in, stir it well. Look at how the colors change. It's dark green. Just a tiny bit of blue green. Give it a quick stir. I hope it's gonna mix. Probably you don't see a much different, but look closer at the potions. Let's see. This has a magical change to it. So we get it earlier. Right, now let's zoom in the color. Look at it. Wow. And I think that's a seed. But I hope better next time. I'm gonna try it on a better sunlight. Look. Wow. So that's it for today. I just created a magical green potion. Shake it a bit. Wow, look at it go. See? What should I name it? Leave it in the comments. See you next time.